In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import reviews on Shopify with Judge.me. Let's get started right inside your Shopify admin. First, open your Shopify dashboard and navigate to the apps section. From there, find and open the Judge.me Reviews app. This will take you to the main Judge.me dashboard where you can see an overview of your reviews activity and settings. Once you're on the Judge.me dashboard, look for the Reviews section in the menu. Go ahead and click on Reviews. This is where Judge.me manages all of the customer feedback connected to your store. You'll usually see options to view, filter, and moderate reviews, but for now we're focused on bringing new reviews in. Next, look for the Import Reviews option. This is often shown as a button or a link in the Reviews area or in the main menu within the Judge.me app. Click on Import Reviews. This is the starting point for bringing existing reviews from other sources into your Shopify store. On the import page, Judge.me will show you several different ways to import reviews. You can import from other review apps, upload a spreadsheet, bring reviews from other platforms, or even import from another store you own that also uses Judge.me. Think about where your current reviews are stored and choose the method that matches your situation. In this example, we'll choose to import from external platforms. So click on the option labeled Import from Platforms. This tells Judge.me that your reviews are currently hosted on a marketplace or a different website, rather than in a file or another app. Now you'll see a list of recommended platforms, such as marketplaces and other major review sources. Select the recommended tab if it's not already open. From here, you can choose the specific platform you're using. In this walkthrough, we're going to choose Etsy as the platform to import from. After selecting Etsy, click on the Get Started button. Judge.me may also give you an option to import manually, but for this example, we'll stick with the guided connection by using Get Started. This usually sets up an integration that can automatically pull in your reviews. Once you click Get Started, you'll be taken to a login or authorization page for that platform. Here, you'll need to sign in with your account details and grant the necessary permissions so Judge.me can access your reviews. After you complete the login and confirm access, Judge.me will begin syncing and